Alright, we're doing a Dyson video, and the reason why is if you guys have been watching our channel, then you know that we've done quite a few vacuum videos in here lately, showing off some of the sanitaire, the Bizzle, the other sanitaire, and we even did the Dyson. But we're going to do another one today because we want to see if we can pick up any kind of loose trash or dust in the carpet with this Dyson after all the vacuuming we've done. Because we've vacuumed this place pretty thoroughly 4 or 5 times in a week. So let's see if we can get anything with this Dyson. Oh, I malfunctioned. Okay, well, here we go again. Okay, Let's see if we picked up any trash. Just barely. Right here. But this carpet's been vacuumed like massively. So to think you're going to get a lot of trash. I mean, it's been vacuumed like 4 or 5 times in a week, which is a lot of vacuum for even us. So, but anyway, just a second. That was, we just wanted to do that, and we picked up some stuff, probably some carpet fuzz. So it is pretty vacuumed by the other vacuums, but see, I'm telling people that this Dyson is like, well, it's the most powerful Dyson that I know of they ever made. And I think it's so powerful it competes with the Sanitaire. And I tell you, it does. So, but we wanted to make the video to see if we could pick up something. And we found some stuff, you know, that we still pull some stuff out, even if it's minute. It's not worth the amount of effort it took to get it out, probably, if you're professionally vacuuming carpets because you're a carpet cleaner. But it was just neat to see. Now, if you guys think that Joe showed up in the video over there, that's AI. Joe's holding the camera. We'll see you guys later.